Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to appear offline on Xbox while playing online. I'm going to give you easy guide on how to get it done. So if you want to play online but hide your activity from friends, you can set your status to appear offline on Xbox. So on this, I'm going to provide you two methods on how you can get it done. So the first method is using Xbox console. So press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide, then go to the profile and system, then select appear online, then choose appear offline. Then you are now invisible to friend, but you can still play online. Then on the other method, which is on the mobile, open the Xbox app on your phone, then tap your profile picture at the bottom, then tap appear online and select appear offline. Then your status is now hidden. Then hide your activities completely on Xbox. Go to the settings, click on account, then privacy, then click on online safety, then select the Xbox privacy and customize who can see your activities and game. Then after that, you're done. Now you are now completely playing without anyone knowing that you are online, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.